Today's presentation will provide you with information about all of the RF handheld products that we offer. I have broken down our product offerings into 5 categories: spectrum analyzers, vector network analyzers, network infrastructure test products, coverage mapping and interference hunting solutions, and other products offered by different divisions within Anritsu Corporation. Please note that this presentation will give you only a very high-level overview of our product offerings. We will begin by looking at our broad range of spectrum analyzers. I am very proud to introduce Anritsu's latest addition to our handheld spectrum analyzer family, the new Fieldmaster MS-2080A. The MS-2080A covers 9 kHz to 4 GHz and is small, compact, and easy to carry, weighing less than 9 pounds, or 4 kilograms. The MS-2080A provides better protection against damage in the field with 5-watt input damage levels, IP53 environmental protection in the supplied carrier case, and IK08 rating for the 10-inch multi-touch screen. It is faster than any other handheld spectrum analyzer in its class, with sweep speeds up to 45 GHz per second. It is smarter with advanced features such as real-time spectrum analyzer, built-in support for the S31P cable and antenna analyzer, support for USB power sensors, interference analyzer, coverage mapping, and advanced DMOD options for 5G and LTE analysis. Here is our MS-2080 introduction video.
It's been over 2 decades since Anritsu set the standard for handheld spectrum analyzers with the launch of the Spectrum Master MS-2711. The launch of the MS-2712E and 13E continued to revolutionize the industry for RF engineers, giving them the capability to test transmitters, search for interfering signals, and monitor multiple channels in the field. Then, in 2019, Anritsu introduced its next breakthrough, the Fieldmaster Pro MS-2090A, delivering a real-time spectrum analyzer with 110 MHz bandwidth and full 5G NR modulation quality measurements up to 54 GHz. And now, the company is raising the bar even further with the launch of the Fieldmaster MS-2080A. The handheld 4 GHz spectrum analyzer incorporates all of Anritsu's expertise into a compact and affordable instrument that's ideal for interference hunting and spectrum surveillance, and also 5G FR1 measurements. The Fieldmaster MS-2080A delivers on the Anritsu promise of being better, faster, smarter. Better. The Fieldmaster MS-2080A, with its 10-inch multi-touch screen, ruggedized housing, and convenient carrying case, is ideal for use in even the most challenging sites. Faster, including a faster sweep. The Fieldmaster MS-2080A provides 45 GHz per second sweep speed to enhance interference hunting. Best in DANL and level accuracy for accurate transmitter measurements. And a real-time spectrum analyzer to find even the most elusive intermittent signals. Smarter, with SiteMaster cable and antenna analysis measurements. The Fieldmaster MS-2080A sets a new benchmark for field portable instruments, letting engineers get the job done quickly, accurately, and with documented closeout reports. Better, faster, smarter. With the Fieldmaster MS-2080A and Fieldmaster Pro MS-2090A, you have the right tool, wherever the job, whatever the environment. All from Anritsu.
The Fieldmaster Pro MS-2090A is Anritsu's premium handheld spectrum analyzer with advanced features previously only seen in much more expensive benchtop instruments. The MS-2090A frequency range starts from 9 kHz at the low end and has various frequency options starting at 9 GHz all the way up to 54 GHz. Key features include real-time spectrum analysis with up to 110 MHz instantaneous bandwidth, display average noise level of minus 164 dBm, third-order intercept of plus 20 dBm, and plus or minus 0.5 dB typical amplitude accuracy. Additional options include IQ capture and streaming, EMF measurements, interference analyzer, coverage mapping, and support for Anritsu's S331P cable and antenna analyzer for line sweep measurements. The Fieldmaster Pro MS2090A is a high-performance handheld spectrum analyzer specifically designed to meet the test challenges of a full range of wireless technologies, including 5G, LTE, wireless backhaul, satellite systems, and radar. The SpectrumMaster MS276XA family of ultra-portable spectrum analyzers is a very unique solution that provides continuous frequency coverage from 9 kHz to 170 GHz. These ultra-portable spectrum analyzers are all USB powered and controlled from a Windows-based PC, laptop, or tablet, making them extremely flexible for use in the lab, on the manufacturing floor, or even in the field. The SpectrumMaster MS2760A models provide full broad band coverage from 9 kHz to 170 GHz with excellent dynamic range and download performance. The SpectrumMaster MS2762A models provide increased dynamic range and download performance over the SpectrumMaster MS2760A models for the most demanding sensitivity requirements. The frequency coverage range for these models is from 6 GHz to 170 GHz. The MS2720T has been the go-to instrument for customers who need a high-performance handheld spectrum analyzer with high frequency coverage up to 43 GHz. It is still one of the best in terms of RF performance in the industry. This is the perfect instrument for customers that want a high-performance spectrum analyzer but don't need the higher frequency coverage or the advanced features offered on the Anritsu Fieldmaster Pro MS2090A, such as RTSA, IQ streaming, and 5G DMOD. Please note that the 32 and 43 GHz models will be replaced by the MS2090A effective December 31st, 2022. The SpectrumMaster MS271XE series are Anritsu's mid-performance range of spectrum analyzers. The 2711E provides frequency coverage from 9 kHz to 3 GHz and offers users great value with its excellent price to performance ratio. Note that the MS2711E does not offer digital signal analysis options. Users that need digital signal analysis options should consider the MS2712 and 13E, which provide improved RF performance, higher frequency coverage, and various signal analysis options including 2G, 3G, 4G, ISDBT, and others. The MS2712E offers frequency coverage to 4 GHz, and the MS2713E goes to 6 GHz. Please note that the MS2712E will be replaced by the MS2080A 4 GHz model effective December 31st, 2022. Our remote spectrum monitor products include the MS27201A, which provides remote spectrum monitoring to 43.5 GHz in a compact 19-inch 2U rack mount case. It offers up to 110 MHz measurement bandwidth with IQ capture and streaming options. It offers advanced options like 5G DMOD and delivers benchtop instrument performance for long-term monitoring applications. It comes standard with PC software that acts as the spectrum display and configuration interface. The MS2710XA comes in several configurations. The MS27101A is a half-rack spectrum monitor designed for interference mitigation and geolocation for signals of interest. Its small form factor makes the MS27101A the ideal solution for indoor rack mount systems where size is an important consideration. The MS27102A spectrum monitor is rated to IP67 standards for outdoor deployment. Key applications include detection of illegal or unlicensed transmissions, radio surveillance, and interference mitigation. The MS27103A remote spectrum monitor provides 12 RF input ports with options to go to 24 ports for multiple antenna configurations. This is the ideal solution for measuring multiple sectors and multiple carriers per sector. Finally, the MS27100A is designed for OEM solutions for monitoring the spectrum and geolocating signals of interest. Its small form factor allows the MS27100A to be placed in rack mount systems or enclosures where space is of primary consideration. Now let's take a look at Anritsu's handheld vector network analyzers. The B series VNA masters are Anritsu's economy VNA solutions. The MS-2024 and 2025B are two-port, one-path instruments covering 4 and 6 GHz frequency range and does not include a spectrum analyzer. If you need a spectrum analyzer, we offer the MS-2034 and 2035B. The MS-2036C VNA master is Anritsu's high-performance, fully reversing two-port VNA with frequency coverage from 5 kHz to 6 GHz. It also includes a full-featured spectrum analyzer covering 9 kHz to 9 GHz. The S820E is the highest value handheld microwave analyzer in its class, providing more standard measurement capabilities than any other similar type of product on the market. With its included visual inspection probe mode, users can verify fiber connectors and perform pass-fail testing in addition to the traditional coaxial and waveguide RF measurements already supported by the S820E. The S820E's full 4-receiver VNA architecture provides fully reversing two-port S-parameter measurements. It is capable of 4 simultaneous S-parameter measurements with a user-configurable quad display. It can generate standard industry-compatible format S2P files that can be imported into Anritsu benchtop VNAs, such as the VectorStar and Shockline products, for ease of comparison between field and lab instruments. Next, let's go over our wireless infrastructure test products. The S331P is an ultra-portable version of the industry-leading SiteMaster series of cable and antenna analyzers. It is the smallest, lightest, fastest, and most cost-effective instrument in the SiteMaster family. No batteries are required since the USB port of Windows tablets, laptops, or desktop PCs power it. Available with 2 frequency option ranges starting from 150 kHz up to 4 GHz and 6 GHz. It is the only small headless SiteMaster product capable of measurements down to 150 kHz for low-frequency radio communication applications and up to 6 GHz for higher frequency applications like 5G FR1 and 5 GHz LTE-U. The S331L is our highest value SiteMaster. It is a lightweight, rugged, handheld cable and antenna analyzer designed to meet demanding field applications. The S331L is for contractors, installers, and wireless service providers who need an instrument to reduce per-site maintenance costs. Anyone who needs to make basic cable and antenna and power measurements will benefit from the SiteMaster S331L. The S3XXE SiteMaster E-Series is the leading choice for installation, maintenance, and troubleshooting of RF and microwave cable and communication systems with frequency coverage from 2 MHz up to 6 GHz. It offers measurement capabilities including precision return loss, VISWAR, cable loss, and distance default, enabling users to efficiently maintain legacy networks in addition to the new 5G FR1 systems being installed now. The S331E covers from 2 MHz to 4 GHz, and the S361E covers from 2 MHz to 6 GHz. These models do not include a spectrum analyzer. If you require spectrum analysis in addition to line sweep, we offer the S332E and S362E with coverage up to 4 and 6 GHz respectively. Anritsu's PIM masters are the industry standard for PIM measurements. The PIM master is able to fully certify cable and antenna systems performance measuring PIM, distance to PIM, return loss, VISWAR, cable loss, and distance default with a single instrument, so only one instrument is needed on site to fully certify both PIM and sweep performance to 3 GHz. This means fewer instruments to carry on the site and fewer instruments to hoist up to the top of the tower for remote radio head testing. The PIM master also includes mechanical features designed for field use. A soft case with screen access protects the unit while it's still allowing full access to the instrument. Steel lifting rings make the instrument easier to secure, and a strong tilt bail is built in for testing on the ground or on a workbench. The LMR Master is one of our most popular instruments as it combines a high-performance spectrum analyzer, vector network analyzer, and includes a signal generator with built-in LMR patterns. This instrument is ideal for customers engaged in testing the RF performance of land mobile radio communication systems such as narrowband FM, P25, P25 Phase 2, Tetra, and DMR. It also offers positive train control and GSM-R measurement options for railway operators. It also has options for testing 2G, 3G, and 4G commercial wireless systems. The LMR Master is Anritsu's Swiss Army knife, as it combines multiple instruments into a small, lightweight, and rugged package. Next, I will talk about our interference hunting and coverage mapping solutions. The MA8100A Neon Signal Mapper is a 3D in-building coverage mapping solution for use with Anritsu's handheld spectrum analyzers to automatically collect geo-referenced test data with every step while indoors without the use of GPS. It includes automatic report generation with pass-fail measurements broken down into grids to comply with public safety testing requirements. Measurement results are displayed in 2D or 3D and can be exported to CSV files for further analysis or for reports. Software license options include 1-year, 3-year, and 5-year licenses with cloud service. For customers that do not want recurring licenses, we also offer a perpetual license with 3 years of cloud service. The in-building coverage mapper MS27101A-IBCM combines a spectrum analyzer with the Neon Signal Mapper into a fully integrated package for in-building coverage mapping. The entire system is housed in a backpack and is lightweight and easy to use. Please note that the system requires an Android device, which is not included. The MA2700A handheld interference hunter is equipped with a GPS receiver and antenna, an electronic compass, and a preamplifier. The internal preamplifier can be toggled on or off with the trigger on the MA2700A by holding the trigger for 2 seconds or pressing a button on the attached instrument. It is designed to enhance interference mapping on Anritsu's handheld instruments that have interference analysis options. The MA2700A is powered over USB, so it doesn't need battery. It requires a compatible directional antenna, and filters can be easily installed between the antenna and the MA2700A. The frequency range is from 10 MHz to 6 GHz. Anritsu's mobile interference hunter MX280007A works with a broad array of Anritsu's handheld spectrum analyzers, providing interference hunting and spectrum clearing capability from 9 kHz to 54 GHz. The system uses proprietary interference finding algorithms that quickly determine the position estimate of an interfering signal. Once sufficient measurements are accumulated in area scan mode, the mobile interference hunter software can create a heat map indicating the position of the interference source. The signal location estimate is continually refined as more measurements are taken. That was the high-level overview of Anritsu's RF handheld products. I would now like to take some time to discuss other test solutions offered by Anritsu. Anritsu also offers a full range of benchtop VNAs. Our premium high-performance VectorStar family includes the world's first broadband VNA with continuous frequency coverage from 70 kHz to 220 GHz. These VNAs are ideal for users that need the ultimate in performance, high-frequency coverage, and cutting-edge on-wafer measurement capabilities. Our Shockline family offers economy and mid-performance VNAs with frequency coverage from 50 kHz to 43.5 GHz. Additionally, we offer an E-band VNA with frequency coverage from 55 GHz to 92 GHz. Anritsu's recently released rubidium signal generator offers the world's best phase noise performance and superior frequency stability. Frequency coverage starts at 9 kHz and goes up to 43.5 GHz. We also offer a benchtop power meter and a full range of USB power sensors that are compatible with our handheld instruments. Anritsu is the leader in high-frequency components with frequency coverage up to 145 GHz. We offer over 300 precision components and a wide range of calibration and verification kits that are NIST traceable. We also have a microwave technology center with a thin film processing lab offering services for our customers. Our divisions in Japan also offer a wide range of general-purpose RF and microwave and wireless measurement solutions, including full conformance test systems, wireless test sets, vector signal analyzers, and vector signal generators. We also offer optical, digital, and IP network measurement tools, including Ethernet analyzers, optical spectrum analyzers, and OTDRs.
Thank you for watching this video. For more information, please visit our products at www.anritsu.com.